Hello and welcome everyone. I'm here with an amazing, video regarding hosting a cyber week sales. And right now you may see the 85% discount over here. But if you watch the video in full, I will tell you step by step on how you can get as much as up to 95% off. So what you have to do is to simply click on exclusive discount link in the description of this video, which is exclusively for my audience. Once you click on exclusive discount link, you will be landed to a page like this. And now there are few reasons why Hostinger is a great hosting company and why this Cyber Week sale is a great discount to buy on. So you are getting website builder 85% off, and I will tell you further 10% discount on how you can get. And you're getting free domain, you're getting fast speed with AI, and you're also you may see around over here that hosting is a well-known company recommended almost everywhere on internet. And if you scroll below, this is the hosting a WordPress builder. You can create websites within minutes. And in case if you're coming from another hosting company, hosting has a dedicated migrate to website service as well. You can easily do website migration. So again, make sure to click on the link in the description to avail this amazing deal. This is the AI. You just have to give the command with Hostinger Horizon, and it automatically going to create a website for you. You're getting more power and control and flexible growth with their fast performance. 4 million plus clients are using Hostinger as their primary hosting company, and even I'm using it. 150 plus countries being served, 20 years of experience, 10 million plus websites created, and my experience of 4 years is also very good with Hostinger. And if you scroll below, you may see that these are the special cyber week deals, and you can cancel anytime. You're getting 24/7 support on all of them, and you're getting as much as up to 95% off on these two plans. Because if you click on the link in the description and use either of the coupon code, you're going to get additional 10% discount on already running discount deal. So my opinion is do a thorough research of all the plan features before you're going to select any plan with a choose plan. So once you're done with your research, simply select the choose plan with any plan. But my recommendation is to go with the premium business plan because you're going to get as much as up to 95% discount if you click on the link in the description and use the right of the coupon code. So you may see Cyber Week's discount is running right now, 48 months off. So now hosting will offer you 4 billing periods. You can pay over 1, 12, 24 and 48 months. Unfortunately, the renewal price is very high. So my recommendation is to offer the 48 months. And you can use this extra 10 BF as well, and you may see that your price got a further 10% discount. So avail this discount. You can use other coupons as well, which are also being mentioned in the description of this video, but you can use extra 10 BF as well to get this amazing discount. And if you want a free domain, you can simply write over here, or you can also get your free domain later on through the Hostinger control panel. It's all your personal preference. If you have and the best thing is that all of the plans come with 30 days money back guarantee. So you can see you're getting free domain and 2 to 3 months extra free hosting. So the price won't be paid again. So offer the 48 months, and now move on to the continue and move on to the last part. And it is because I already have an account, so I'm going to log into my Google account. So you may see over here that my deal is over here. And my discount is loaded over here as well. My 30 days money back guarantee is over there as well. So what you have to do is, if you synchronize with your Google account, just like me, you just write your billing details over here and move on to the continue. After writing your first, last name, country, phone number, address, region, city. And once you move on to the continue, you maybe move on to the last part, and that is doing your payment. Now hosting will offer you a variety of payment methods to avail this discount. You can pay via card, PayPal, Google Pay, Apple Pay, Alipay Hong Kong, China, CoinGate. So you have ample of a variety of payment methods to choose. So making it very flexible and easier for anyone who want to pay through their preferred payment plan. So yeah, just enjoy it. I've been using it from the last 4 years and my experience is very good. So avail these Cyber Week discount deals. Make sure to click on the link in the description and use the extra 10 BF or either of the coupon code mentioned in the description of this video. And I look forward on welcoming all of you at Hostinger. It's a great hosting company, and my 4 years experience is just amazing, which is why I'm here with a special discount, coupon link, and a coupon code from my audience. So good luck with your hosting from Hostinger. Good luck.